15-minute walking distance from my residence.
Okay, so it is very, very close. You
Yes,
don't
sir.
have to take any vehicle. Okay, walking
Yes, sir.
distance. It's a
Yes,
hospital
sir.
or it's your chamber?
No, sir. It is a hospital.
Okay.
It's about 100-bedded hospital, and
Okay.
I am residing doctor quarter. So it is bed hospital.
Okay, in it is a dental hospital only. Only dental
No, sir.
hospital.
No,
Okay,
sir.
in general hospital.
Hospital and dental department is here for last 2 years.
2 years. It is your first job.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is your next plan?
Sir, I want to postgraduate
Okay.
in my field.
Postgraduate means you are an MS. You are saying you have done MS.
Yes.
So that is
Not, sir. I have to give entrance examination. After that, if I rank, then I get a chance for MS.
But you say that when you pass MS, then you become a surgeon, right?
It is actually undergraduate. So I have already a dental surgeon. When I passed postgraduate, then it will be my master degree.
Okay, but I know that MS is masters. MS is not a master degree.
Yes, sir. It is a master degree, but I am just
done
only
it.
BDS.
Okay, you have done BDS.
Yes. And
After
I
doing
have to
BDS,
do MDS.
Okay, doing BDS, you can do surgery.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
If this,
So you
but it done only in BDS level.
Okay, but in MBBS it is different.
It is different, and MDS level it is also different. That is
masters.
Sir, you have know that oral and maxillofacial surgery.
Oral and
maxillofacial surgery.
Yes, yes. So those things you can do after doing MS.
Yes,
MDS. Okay, very good. And regarding your English, what is your problem? You need to speak English with your colleagues, I think, other doctors. Do you converse every day, daily basis?
No, sir. It is a daily basis. I am trying to speak, but I have no environment more enough that I practice it. That is why I had joined the class.
But your English is very good. Means it is manageable. Means it is not that you are below average. It is quite good.
Sir, it is. I have done it only last 2 or 3 months after joining TIA.
Okay, after
so
joining
I am very thankful. Yes, sir.
And your hometown? Where is your hometown?
Sir, it is Howrah district, Ulberia.
Okay, so it is very close to Kolkata.
Yes, yes, yes.
It is not that you are living in a remote area or something like that. Okay.
But last 2 months, I did go to my house due to
last 2 months. Okay.
Continue. Yes, sir.
Last 2 months. Last 2 months you are in Kolkata.
Yes, sir.
So you cannot return to your hometown.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what do you do to improve your English? Are you doing anything to improve your English?
Yes, sir. I am listening interviews or English news.
YouTube videos.
Yes, YouTube videos. Yes,
Daily.
And YouTube videos and thought story for the child. Very lucid English.
Okay. Daily. You do it daily.
No, sir, not daily, but when in my spare time, actually.
Is it daily or every alternative day? Means how frequently you do it?
In a week, it
3 days. 3 days a week.
Yes, I try to
listen to videos. Okay, that is very good. Okay, Guria and Saima. So you can also listen to YouTube videos. You listen to YouTube videos. That is very, very helpful. You have a lot of time. So once in a day, if you listen half an hour or 1 hour English videos, then you can learn a lot. Saima, do you listen?
I listen to English songs actually. I listen to every day.
You said that day, but do you do it on a regular basis? Means daily? Do you do it daily? Do you listen daily? At least half an hour, 1 hour daily? Because that is very important. Consistency is important to improve your English skills. Somehow you manage half an hour or 40 minutes a day and listen to English videos or whatever. Can you manage that?
Are you asking me?
Yes, I'm asking you that do you have do you devote 40 minutes or 1 hour a day to listening to English videos?
No,
That is,
no, sir. Actually,
you just
sometimes I listen to songs, but not for 40 minutes. Uh,
uh, but if you can manage half an hour, 30 minutes or 40 minutes, okay, in daily basis, then it will be very helpful.
yes.
Okay, you can learn the pronunciation, you can learn new words, and main thing you can good in English only if you surround yourself in English. चारों तरफ English होना चाहिए. You should be surrounded with your English, like listening, reading, then speaking. All three, if it is possible. If speaking is not possible with anybody, then listening can do a good. Try to listen half an hour, 40 minutes every day. English songs, English videos, movies, whatever. Then try to read at least half a page, 1 page in English. It may be your school textbook or any other thing. And try to speak. If it is not 100%, at least 40%, 30% English sentences, English words in your daily life. With your friends, with your teachers, at least few sentences daily you try to speak. Understood, Guriya and Sanjana?
Yes, sir.
You try to speak at least 10, 20 sentences in a day with your friends, with your neighbors. While you're speaking in Hindi, use few English words like, okay, I'll call you later, or I'm busy now. In this way, you speak and you make it more day by day. चारों तरफ इंग्लिश से घिरा होना चाहिए. Then only you can be comfortable. Read at least 1 page daily. Maybe the same page, but read loudly. Okay, not in your mind. Read loudly 1 page daily. It may be a different page or maybe the same page. It may be a textbook, but you read daily loudly one page full. 1 pages, 2 pages, and listening videos. It may be entertainment film videos. It may be interviews. It may be English songs, movies, stories, short stories. Just try to listen. Listening, reading, and speaking. 3 things has to be done. Have to be all to be done. Then you get that confidence. Then you should get that comfort zone. Like when you are at your home, you are very comfortable because it is your home. You know all the places. This is my chair. This is my wash basin. This is my bedroom. All are very known to you. You feel very comfortable in your home. But when you go to a different building, different office, or different house, you feel uncomfortable because all is unknown to you. Okay, so if you listen to English and speak English every day, then it become very comfortable for you. You will be in a comfort zone. Okay, that is very, very important. It should be a habit.